Welcome back, guys. In this lesson we're going to have a look at the area of a circle and how that's being developed. So we know that the area of a circle is given as pi r squared, but have you ever thought about why that happens? So why is this the formula? Area equals pi r squared. Okay, so to find out the area of a circle, let's just unravel or straighten the circumference. Can you remember what the circumference is? The distance? That's right, 2 pi r. Let's just dissect that circle and let's just unravel it and bring it back on top of itself. Okay, obviously it's not very accurate, so let's break it up into many parts. Let's say 44 parts. So bringing it back onto itself, it looks like a parallelogram, where the height of the parallelogram is r and the base is a half of 2 pi r, which works out to be pi r. So the area of that circle is pretty much the area of that parallelogram as we dissect it into multiple and many parts, as you can see there. So the area of a circle is the area of that particular parallelogram. So this distance is a half of the 2 pi r distance there. So that's 2 pi r, and this is pi r, and this distance here is r. So the area of that parallelogram is base, which is pi r, times height, r. So that's why we get pi r squared. Now let's apply that formula to this particular question. Now, because pi is an irrational number and it goes on forever and ever and ever, we don't get a nice number, so we have to round these answers off. So this one says to 2 decimal places. Area equals pi r squared. The radius is 5.3, r being the radius. So that gets put in that region of the formula. Pi multiplied by 5.3 squared. And then we end up getting a calculator answer. And then we round it to 2 decimal places. After that, 4 is a 7, which is larger than, it's a 5, 6, 7, 8, or a 9, which pushes this number up by 1. So we have 88.25 square centimeters. Okay, pause the video and have a go at answering this question. And this time we're answering it to 1 decimal place. See how you go. Okay, so the diameter is 20.8, so that's that distance there. But we don't want the diameter in this formula, we want the radius, and the radius is a half of 20.8. So pi times 10.4 squared, which equals 339.79, etc. Rounding that to 1 decimal place, and we get 339.8 square millimeters. How did you go? Okay, question 3 is calculate the area of the following circle, and the diameter is 1.8 meters. And question 4 is, if you had a circle and then you doubled the radius, doubled the size of the circle, how much bigger is the area gone from the first circle to the second circle? Now, in your answers, when you post that into Google Forms, I just want your answer, but come to class with your calculation that supports your answer, not just taking a guess. So we'll have a look at that in class. Okay, thanks for watching.